All right, I'm gonna say it like this, but the majority of the people that clicked on this video will not watch all the way through for the simple fact that they do not have what it takes to become financially successful investing in crypto. I know this because I used to be the same person. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is talk about what the separators are from somebody that's gonna be successful versus those that won't. Gonna keep it super simple. So if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Donnie Joseph. On this channel, we talk about crypto, investing, wealth building mindset, macroeconomics. So if any of that stuff interests you, subscribe to the channel, engage with the content. Believe it or not, your engagement helps small channels like this. So the likes, the shares, the comments, all of that are greatly appreciated. Now let's just jump right in. Here's the thing. The truth is, most people don't have what it takes. That's why I started with that. Because the majority of the people don't have discipline, they don't have consistency, they don't have delayed gratification, they don't have control of their emotions, they don't have a strategy or a plan, and they're not willing to stick with it. So then why would they be successful when it comes to investing? Because all of those attributes are what is required. It's not just about having the money to invest. Many people have money to invest, but many of them go broke because it comes down to discipline, consistency, delayed gratification, emotions, and all of those things that I mentioned. So here's the thing. The truth is, most people would rather have a short win, a quick victory. They're hoping that they're going to get rich. It's the same principle as why they go and buy lotto tickets, because they think they have a better shot at getting rich buying a lotto ticket than doing the actual work that is required to build their wealth. But the reality is, people could become a millionaire faster and have a much higher rate of success by following the strategies that most successful people do when it comes to investing than if they were to go and buy the lotto ticket. So why is it that they can't do it? It's the same reason why the majority of the people walking around today do not have a six-pack. It's not because they don't know how, it's because they're not willing to do the work. And this is something that I came to terms with on my own journey. Look, I used to be almost 300 pounds, an alcoholic, fat, sloppy, all of that stuff. And going through that journey of losing weight and giving up alcohol and all of the hard work that was required, I realized that it wasn't necessarily the thing, it was this. This is where the battle is. This is where the battle is when it comes to investing too. Most people come into this space, they want to get rich, they hear about crypto, they throw money at a project, the project goes up, it goes down, whatever it does, and they lose money and then they quit. And they never learn that if you want to be successful in this volatile space, it is going to take time. It is going to take discipline. It is going to take consistency. It is going to take work, just like it's going to take work to get a six-pack. So if you're not willing to do it, then you're not going to be able to reap the rewards of having the success. It's as plain as simple as that. And that's why I said, when people click on the video, they're not going to watch all the way through because they don't have what it takes. They just want the quick thing. They're attracted to the title or the thumbnail, but they don't want to actually digest what is being said. I used to be that person. I used to think the only way I would build my wealth would be to win the lotto, sue somebody, or receive an inheritance. That was my limiting belief. I didn't think that I had what it takes. I didn't believe that I deserved to build wealth. Yes, I made a lot of money, but I didn't keep it. I didn't know how to grow it. I didn't even understand any of that stuff. And that's okay. There are many people that are getting started that don't understand it either, but it doesn't mean that you can't learn. But can you win the battle in your mind? That's the real question. Can you be disciplined? Can you be consistent? Can you invest on regular intervals and not be swayed when the market goes one way, or not be swayed when the news is dropping some headline to distract you or to make you feel fear. Because that's how this market is. It is a true market. It is very volatile, and the powers that be understand that most people are weak-minded. And so that's why the money always flows back to them, because people are going to buy at the wrong time. They're going to sell at the wrong time. They're going to be like this little roller coaster up and down, reacting to every single thing that is said on the news, reacting to all the sound bites. Oh, XRP to 10,000. Oh, Bitcoin to zero. Guys, it is all stuff to manipulate you. When you get dialed in and you get locked in and you stay focused, your competence in something creates the confidence. And once you have the confidence, you deserve to be compensated. But again, most people aren't willing to do the work. And listen, the people that have already clicked off, those are the ones that I'm talking about. It probably pissed them off, they're gone. Those that are still watching, you're probably nodding your head because you understand. You've been there and done that. You understand the games that are played. You understand the work that you're willing to do. It could be something as simple as going through, like today, I wanted a coffee. I wanted an iced coffee. I didn't need an iced coffee. I wanted one. And I almost just drove through the drive-thru to go and get one, but that would be a win for the other team. I would be giving my money to them. I'd rather take that $8 and go invest it into something that's going to grow or multiply. That's the game that I'm playing. And the powers that be understand it. It's why the rich stay rich and the poor stay poor. It's not for a lack of a strategy. It's for all of the other things I mentioned. If this is making sense, let me know in the comments. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. And until next time, we'll talk soon.